Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious cookies and cream ice cream. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. Also, prepare about 15 sandwich cookies, crushed into medium pieces. Make sure all your ingredients are well chilled. This is key for achieving that perfect creamy texture. Let's get started. Now, let's create our rich ice cream base. In a large bowl, combine your 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. Whisk these together thoroughly until the sugar completely dissolves and the mixture begins to thicken slightly. Finally, stir in 1½ teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. This adds a wonderful depth of flavor to our base. With our base ready, it's time for the ice cream maker. Pour the chilled mixture into your machine's frozen bowl. Churn for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until it reaches a delightful soft serve consistency. This is where the magic happens. During the last 5 minutes of churning, gently fold in your crushed sandwich cookies. This ensures they are evenly distributed throughout your creamy treat. Almost there. Once your ice cream has reached that soft serve stage, transfer it into an airtight container. Place the container in your freezer for at least 4 hours, or until it becomes wonderfully firm. This final chill time allows the flavors to meld and the texture to set perfectly. Now, scoop out your delicious homemade cookies and cream ice cream and savor every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.